Gaya po nito, nag-email ho sa atin, in a span of 6 months, we were issued 4 separate letters of authority with 3 audits still ongoing. These laws overlap in periods and tax types, causing excessive disruption to our operation. And at the same time daw, Mr. Chair, yung mga bumibisita sa kanila, kailangan pa nilang kasi para bilisan nila yung kanilang pag-audit dun sa kumpanya na yun dahil nare-disrupt yung kanilang operations, kailangan nilang maglagay ng padulas, Mr. Chair. Ito po yung problema natin, Attorney Lumagi. Yung panahon po ninyo talagang dumami po talaga. Maaring may instruction kayo na 2 lang, inabuso naman po dito sa baba kung hindi po law of mission order because mission orders pwede lang gawin ng RD at saka RDO without your knowledge. Hindi na po sila kailangan magpaalam sa inyo. Tama po, hindi. Is this correct?
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
You see? Doon po naaabuso. Yung ibang tao, ang tingin na po nila, LOA pa rin, pero mission order na ini-issue ng mga RDO, ng mga RDs po ninyo without your knowledge. Inabuso po nila. Kaya minsan, 4, 5, 6, kayo, instruction nyo, 2 lang. Sige. Pero when they issue MOs, iba pa ho yun eh. Yun ang nagiging problema, naabuso po ng panahon ninyo. Wala po kayong safety net to protect the businesses. Tama naman po, we agree. Kailangan po ng law para makakolekt tayo ng taxes. Unfortunately, paano naman po yung proteksyon ng negosyante from extortion? Wala po silang proteksyon. Kayo po doon sa taas niyo alam dito sa middle management po, doon nangyayari yung nakawan, Mr. Attorney Lumagi. And let me direct, Mr. Chair, if you would please, direct my question to Secretary Federico. Secretary, in my research po, we found out na 2% lang po ng taxes collected by the BIR ang na-generate ng LOA. Tama po ba ito? And 98% are voluntary po. 98% taxes collected are voluntary po ng mga businesses. Is this correct, Secretary Go?
Mr. Chair, that is correct. Roughly, it's between 2 to 2+%. Of course, it varies from year to year. So perhaps in 1 year, it could be about 2.5%. In 1 year, it could be 2.6%.